8 नवंबर 2022 करंट अफेयर है द हिंदू जिस्ट। फर्स्ट हाईलाइट है द यूनाइटेड नेशन सेक्रेटरी जनरल एंटोनियो ग्यूटेरेस टोल्ड कंट्रीज गैदर्ड एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ COP27 summit in Egypt on Monday that they face a stark choice: work together now to cut emissions or condemn future generations to climate catastrophe. Second highlight, the Supreme Court in a majority verdict upholds the economically weaker section quota 10% reservation to the poorest of the poor among forward caste does not affect basic structure of the constitution, say three judges of the five-member bench. Another judge told hold that exclusion of other communities is avowedly discriminatory. सेवन्थ पेज पे है कि सबसे पहले सेकंड हाईलाइट में सुप्रीम कोर्ट मेजोरिटी पर ठीक है 103 अमेंडमेंट एक्ट जो है वो 10% रिजर्वेशन कोटा लेके आता है। सेवन्थ पेज पे हाईलाइट नंबर 1 है दो द नील गुरुंजी फ्लावर, ठीक है, स्ट्रोबिलेंथिस कुंथियाना atop the Kallipara hills in Idukki have withered away. The influence of tourists to the picturesque landscape continues. According to the Santhanpara Panchayat official, Nilkuranji largely bloomed on the Kalipara hills from the first week of October. Second highlight है POCSO Act forces Adivasis in Nilgiris to conflict with law, says activist. Youth under the age of 18 in relationship within or outside marriage run foul of the stringent provisions of the Act. Many of them are unaware of the law, end up in prison for a crime they did not know they were committing. Next, the High Court of Karnataka has said that the Law Commission of India will have to rethink the age criteria in law for having consensual sexual intercourse to address the issue of such instances as a result of love affair between minor girls and boys who are aged above 16 but are below 18. नेक्स्ट है 8 नंबर पेज पे हाईलाइट प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ओवरआर्किंग स्कीम फॉर होलिस्टिक nourishment पोषण अभियान launched in April 2018 under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Its overarching goal is to improve nutritional outcomes by focusing on capacity building, improvement of service delivery, community mobilization, participation, use of technology, and interministerial, interdepartmental convergent planning and review. Additionally, there has been an enhanced focus on documentation of interventions coverage in the first 1000 days, such as registration of pregnancies, antenatal checkup, and exclusive breastfeeding as compared to the situation in 2015-16. Next highlight है कि economics exclusion use of sole income criteria for quotas is questionable, but it should be made to work in a non-exclusionary way. जो EWS कोटा के ऊपर वर्डिक्ट है उसके ऊपर है। नेक्स्ट 9th पेज पे है 2021 थ्रू दी मैटर 2021 में थ्रू दी Matera Declaration, G20 ministers recognize that poverty alleviation, food security, and sustainable food systems are key to ending hunger. The Matera Declaration reflects the Indian concern for the welfare of small and medium farmers, promoting local food cultures and recognizing agri-diversity. Second highlight, India's journey in the last 50 years provides learning on sustainable growth in food grain production and improving food system. One of India's greatest contributions to equity in the food is the National Food Security Act 2013, which anchors the targeted public distribution system, the midday meal scheme, and the integrated child development services. Today, India's food safety nets collectively reach over a billion people. Next highlight, the war in Ukraine and the restriction on the export of wheat have shown how dependent nations are on a single source of global food supply. This vulnerability is linked with production being impacted by the changing weather and disruption in the availability of inputs. It is important to note the vulnerability visible in food grain production and supply or in the availability with regards to export will also raise the growing demand for India's wheat and rice. Second highlight है in the move that allayed concerns about yet another disruption to global food supply chains, Russia last week rejoined the Black Sea grain deal. First highlight है what is the Black Sea Grain Initiative? The Black Sea Grain Deal endeavors to tackle escalating food prices emanating from supply chain disruptions because of Russia's actions in the world's breadbasket. The deal, brokered by the UN and Turkey, was signed in Istanbul on July 22, 2022, initially stipulated for a period of 120 days with an option to extend or terminate after November. The deal was to provide for a safe maritime humanitarian corridor for Ukrainian exports, particularly for food grains, from three of its key ports, namely Kornomorsk, Odisha, and Yuzhny or Pivdenai. The central idea was to calm markets by ensuring an adequate supply of grains, thereby limiting food price inflation. Third highlight है United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization's Food Price Index, which assesses the monthly change in international prices of baskets of food commodities, fell for the sixth consecutive month in a row during the September assessment month. 16 पेज में हाईलाइट है फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑटोमोबाइल डीलर्स एसोसिएशंस, फाडा. फाडा क्या होती है इसके बारे में पढ़ लें. तो फाडा क्या बोलती है कि ऑटो सेल्स इन फेस्टिवल पीरियड राइज टू अ 4-year हाई. ठीक है. और लास्ट में है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टू सस्टेन ग्रोथ थ्रस्ट फॉर दी 6 to 9 months. फिक्की, फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री, इसके बारे में पढ़ ले कब बनी थी. ठीक है. इंडियन हिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिक्की के बारे में पढ़ लो, प्रीलिम्स के हिसाब से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. थैंक यू.